the industry can help to upgrade the skill set of the students through workshop seminars about the recent technologies like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, blockchain technology, and so on. And second thing is we have an industry ready curriculum, and we have included the industry persons as a POS members, that is a board of studies members. But the thing is, we need the industry to train the trainers concept, so that the faculty members can able to train, and they can deliver the curriculum as per the industry needs. And the third thing is, the industry can create a networking forum so that the students can communicate with the industry person through online, and through that they can develop their critical thinking his skill sets in the recent technologies.